This is letter E. E has two sounds, and when E has a bar line on it, the sound is E, E, E. And the animal name is emu, emu, emu.
If you see me running from the zoo, I'm coming to help, I'm an emu.
The emu is a large Australian bird that cannot fly. It is usually between 5 and 6 feet or 1.5 to 1.8 meters high and weighs about 100 pounds or 45 kilograms. The emu has brownish black thick feathers. Its small wings are hidden in the feathers. It has long legs and is a swift runner. An emu eats fruits and green plants. It often becomes a pest because it eats crops and breaks down sheep fences. Far away on the eastern side of the world, below the equator, in a teeny-weeny city, lives Emil Emu with father and mother emu. Emil Emu was beside himself with glee. Emil Emu had won a free trip to Peach Tree City Zoo in America. Father and mother emu were here at the airport in the wee hours of the morning to see Emil Emu leave on the plane. Emil Emu was so excited he would have a whole week in December at Peach Tree City Zoo. Maybe, just maybe, he hoped he would get to see sleet and snow. It was never cold where Emil Emu lived below the equator. As Emil Emu boarded the plane, father and mother emu kissed him. Remember, Emil Emu, be helpful wherever you may be. Before he knew it, Emil Emu had flown across the sea at a tremendous speed. Actually, the plane flew at a tremendous speed. Even though Emil Emu was a bird, he couldn't fly. You see, the sleek jet eased down at Peach Tree City. Emil Emu met the zookeeper of the Peach Tree City Zoo, who took Emil Emu to the cleanest zoo you ever did see. Emil Emu was so eager to meet all the friends in Peach Tree City Zoo, it was easy for Emil Emu to make friends. So, each of the animals knew Emil Emu was always eager to help. If anyone needed something, Emil Emu would be seen speeding to help. Emil Emu couldn't do enough to keep his friends out of trouble. One night, while Emil Emu was sleeping, the weather turned cold. Emil Emu didn't realize it, but it was beginning to sleet and snow, just as Emil Emu had hoped. Yes, indeed. When morning came, it was beautiful. With much glee, Emil Emu ran out to play. Even sweeping the sidewalks clean of snow was fun. As Emil Emu played, a strange sound came to his ear. What was that? Emil Emu had a feeling he was needed. Away he went. Yes, indeed, it was his friend, Electric Eel. Sneezing and sneezing. He had caught a cold. Neither sleet nor snow could keep eager Emil Emu from speeding off to the zookeeper. Please, Mr. Zookeeper, Electric Eel is sneezing. He is freezing and sneezing, cried the Emil Emu. Emil Emu and the zookeeper easily cared for the electric eel. Each day, Emil Emu sat with the electric eel, and soon he was feeling better. Together, They enjoyed watching the freezing sleet and snow outside the window. As they sat by the fireplace, Emil Emu remembered what his parents had told him before he left. Be helpful wherever you may be. Father and Mother Emu were as right can be.
Let us read these words phonetically. E, me. S, E, see. F, E, fee.
R, E, re.
E, im. E, z, is. E, if. E, ear. Me. S, see. F, fee. Fr, free. S, seam. S, seam. R, ream. Ear. F, fear. R, rear. Mere. S, smear.